Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what's their next move. It's a pick a card reading. So you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. If you want to watch for multiple people, you can go for multiple files. Choose different files for different people, not multiple files for one person. Okay, so let's get into the reading. File number 1, who choose blue file. What's their next move? So file number 1, who choose blue file. I don't think this person is going to make any kind of moves, because this person still stuck in the past. This person don't want to come out of his or her past, because they are very much stuck in their childhood, or if they have any kind of love affair in their young age, soulmate, best friend kind of people, when they become in relationships, it is not there now, but this person is still stuck in that same energy. They don't want to come out of it. They don't want to see the new things in their life. They don't want to have new love in their life. They are not allowing any kind of love, relationships, friendships in their life, new things. They are simply clinging to the past, I can say. Clinging to the past, and they are completely in the memories of past, not present. And that too, it is like young age. No matter what age they are, it is like young age memories. Our childhood memories, not in the present moment. This person completely not in the present moment. They are not living in the present. This person living in the past. And when you ask what is their next move, I don't think this person is going to make any kind of moves, because first they need to come out of this past. But this person is not ready to come out of this past, because that past is very good. 6 of Cups is like a very good card. It is like having a beautiful childhood or beautiful young age, where people are, everyone around them are loving, caring with wholeheartedly. It is like soulmate, best of friends who can understand each other without even expressing anything, or without even expecting anything. That kind of relationships. So this person maybe in their young age, at one point of time, or in their childhood, in their young age, they may be surrounded with lot of good people, I can say here, because 6 of Cups is like a good people. Soul connection, soul family, soul tribe. So they may be in that age, they had such kind of people around them. So now don't know what current situation where they are, what they are dealing with, but this person is very much interested in their past, not in the present. Actually, this person should understand, if they don't move forward, how can they achieve all these things once again in their life? It will happen. Maybe in the young age, they maybe have had a very great childhood or young age, that love, everything. The younger self was very happy, but now no matter what their situation is, if they move on, then they can recreate all these things again. But this person don't know that. This person simply, either they don't believe on themselves that they can recreate all these things, or they just don't believe on anyone. Don't know what the reasons, but this person, as of now, I don't think they will come out of this past. They are simply stuck in their past. They are very much happy in their old memories, rather than in current moment. If at all, if they continue like this, they are going to lose lot of life, I can say, simply because they are not living in the present. So they will miss this present situation, whatever there. If they have any loved ones around them, they are going to miss them also, because they are completely in the past. So they are not even taking care of that present people. And in the career matters, they are going to lose their career because of this past memories. They are completely in the past. How can they take any kind of action in the present moment? So because of that, their career also maybe become there is a chances that it will become stagnant, or they will lose their career, personal life, everything. Pile number 1, blue pile. I think you can help this person if you can, but I don't think this person can make any kind of move as of now. They are simply enjoying in their past by remembering all those past memories, whether it is childhood, young age, which are very good actually. They are not, even though they are clinging to the past, it is not that they are clinging to the past which are very sad or painful. It is very good memories. It is a good thing. Maybe it is these memories are making them happy, but it doesn't mean that they need to sit in this position for a long time. If at all they sit in the long time, they will miss today. The current moment they are going to miss. So pile number 1, whoever choose blue pile, don't expect any move from this person, because this person is not ready to make any kind of move. They are not in the present. They are in the past. So they need time to come out of it. So pile number 2, who choose yellow pile. So pile number 2, what is their next move? So pile number 2, this person next move is getting out of this relationship. It is a 2 of cups, but in the reverse. They don't want to be in this connection. They want to come out of this connection. Either they want to pause this connection or they want to end this connection, but as of now they don't want to involve in this connection. There may be different reasons, because 2 of cups is a card. It is completely, this connection is from the divine. It is destined connection. So these people cannot avoid this. But now this person, one of the person, whoever you are watching, I think this person coming out of the connection, or they want to end this connection. Maybe you may be having some differences, because 2 of cups itself is a card where 2 different people come together. It is polar opposites. So anyway, this person is now thinking to, the next move is ending this connection, I can say. They don't want to be in this connection, or there is some differences, particularly because 2 of cups in the reverse is completely because of some differences, or I can say that there is one more reason also. It is like, if they become codependent, if any kind of codependence issues are going on, they want to come out of it, or they don't want to be dependent on this connection. They want to avoid something in this connection. That is also one reason why they want to come out of this connection, because they cannot end this connection. It is divinely protected, and even though they want to end, it cannot be ended. It will be there. This connection will be there because it is from it is in the destiny. No one, these 2 people cannot avoid it. But now I think even universe also want to come out of this connection. Maybe they are becoming codependent on each other, or they may be having some different. See, normally what happen in this kind of connections is, you need to go through some separations. That is very important in these connections, because 2 of cups is like soulmate or twin flame unions. These unions cannot be together immediately. They need to work on themselves. So for that working on yourself, you need to stay separate from your partners. So maybe I think you are in some kind of stages in that partnership or in that connection. There will be some stages. So I think here, no problem. The reason, as I said, it may be the codependency issues, or maybe some differences. Whether you are completely different, they are completely different. So because of the differences, whatever be the reason, here I think this is a time of separation. Why I am telling is, this person also cannot do anything, because this connection is completely formed by divine. So this connection moving, the way it go also completely depends on divine. These two people cannot make any decision regarding this connection. They don't hold that power. That is also when you are asking what is their next move, this person, whatever the move they make, it is not their move. Actually, the divine, the universe force them to take the decision, make that move, because this union is like that. This kind of connections are like that. There will be stages. In every stage, they will become better version. They will become better persons. So maybe they have something issues to heal. Either you may be having some issues to heal. So this is the time you need to be separated. Together you should not be there. That is the reason. Maybe it is a separation time, I can say. So this person want to come out of this connection, or this person don't want to invest in this connection. So pile number 2, whoever watching this reading, don't misunderstand them. Okay, understand the connection. You people are not in a normal connection. This connection is completely different. So you should understand that. Instead of feeling, when I said it is 2 of cups in the reverse, it is a separation, it doesn't mean that you are going to get separated for your life. It is divinely orchestrated relationship. So this connection will be completely driven by or guided by the universe. So now I can say that maybe now it is separation stage. So you need to be separated. Now I cannot say how many days you need to be separated. Maybe there are some issues in both of you. You need to heal that. Once you heal from that, again you will come into union. So it will be stages will be there. So based on your stage, what stage you are, depend on that connection will be moved forward. So their next move, I can say that here you both should be separated. You both will have separation. But as I said, you no need to worry. It is just for the time being. It is not in your hands, not in their hands. Let's move on to pile number 3, which is white pile. So white pile, what is their next move? So pile number 3, which is white pile, their next move is they want to make you their king of wands. Now don't get excited when I say Queen of Wands. It is not a good card to be, because see, being a Queen of Wands is good thing, because this queen is very passionate queen, very fiery, passionate, very attractive, very nurturing. She knows how to handle herself, and she is in her position, I can say. She is in her power, wand power. So they want to make you as a King of Wands, means it's simply they want you for their passion, not for the stable things. In relationship, mostly we look for stability, love, care, but that stability. But here this person want to make you King of Wands. It is like passionate. Maybe they want you sexually. They want to, I cannot say that they want to use you sexually. Maybe it is like they want to give you whatever you want. In the return, they want that pleasures. So here I can say, whoever choose pile number 3, it is better to think about it, because I don't see, as per my knowledge, I don't think it's a good, even though they are making you King of Wands, I don't think it is a good position to have. It is based on your mindset again, okay? So if at all you are a passionate person, you are looking for only passionate relationship, pleasure kind of relationship, not any kind of stability, responsibility, so then you can go for it. they are giving that opportunity. So if you are not looking for any kind of stable relationship, any kind of responsibility, commitment and all, then you can go for this opportunity. The next move is making you as their Queen of Wands. Okay. So if at all you are also person who are not looking for any kind of commitments, then it is a good thing for you. You are getting what you want. But if you are looking something different, like as I said, if you are looking for stability, then I think you need to think about this offer, because the next move is making you as a Queen of Wands, not a Queen of Pentacles or Queen of Cups. So it is completely pleasure, passion, pleasure, that I don't want to judge here, because everyone is having their own choices, opinions. So it depends on you. Anyway, what is their next move is they want to make you as their Queen of Wands. As I said, they want you for their pleasures. So it completely depends on you whether you want to accept that or not. Let's move on to pile number 4, who choose red pile. So red pile, what is their next move? So pile number 4, this person next to move is like a fool. They are ready for any kind of adventures in their life. They are ready to take that unknown paths, unknown journey. They are ready for that unknown journey. They are ready to take that unknown paths, or risk taking, I can say. They want to take that risk. They are ready actually. This person is completely ready for, it is like Fool card is a 0. That means they are ready for whatever comes in their life. This person is in that stage, I can say. So their next move here, I can see that they are ready for any kind of adventure. This pile number 4 is a red pile. This person is, they want to, if at all any new beginnings are coming in their way, they are ready to take up that new beginnings. They are not hesitating, they are not fearing, they are not fearful, they are not hesitant, they are not having any kind of doubts. It is like a child nature, child kind of nature, I can say, or simply they are ready for the adventure. Whatever comes in their life, they are ready to accept it, face it, whether it is a good or bad. So it is completely depends on universe, I can say. Their next move is completely they are ready. They are free, they are ready, they are not having any kind of fears, they are not having any kind of responsibilities. Yeah, Fool card is completely not having any kind of responsibilities. Free person. This person is a very free person. So they can start anything. As I said, it is a 0. They can start now, newly. If they get opportunity to start something new, this person is completely ready to start something new, because they don't have any kind of responsibility or any kind of obstacles or any kind of limitations. They are completely free. So their next move, I don't think this person, as I said, they are ready for anything. So whatever comes, they are going to make a move. It is completely depend on universe, I can say. Their next move is, they are ready to take the next step, whatever it may be. It may be known or it may be unknown. They are ready to make that, take that step, take that opportunity, go into the unknown, whatever it may be, comes in their way. So let's move on to pile number 5, who choose green pile. So pile number 5, so what is their next move? So pile number 5, their next move is, this person can be very ruthless or very harsh or very egoistical if at all you touch this person, because this King of Wands, this person is not in a good state of mind, I can say. They lost the passion. This person is very, whether it is this person is very passionate person, but this person now in the current situation they are not feeling passionate about anything. They lost their passion towards life, I can say. They are not, maybe in the past they are very passionate and very courageous, but current situation, don't know what is happening in their life. Currently this person is not passionate and not courageous. They lost that passion and courage. They are very sad and they are feeling some kind of guilt, I can say here. There is some guilt feeling, or there's some kind of sadness. Maybe they lost something which is very near to them, or don't know the reasons what they lost or what happened, but this person lost that passion towards the life or towards the things what they do, and that courage. They don't have both. No courage, no passion, nothing. They are simply sitting feeling guilty about the things, or feeling it is like regretting about the things whatever happened. So this person state of mind is not good, I can say. That is the reason, as I said, don't go to this person, because they can behave like a ruthless. They can use harsh words, abusive words, or because this person is passionate king, fire king. So when they are in this kind of situation, if someone go and ask for something, definitely they will react in a different way, not in a good way, I can say. It will hurt you. So expecting next move from this person, I don't think you will get anything good, because they are in the regret mode. They are regretting about something, about whatever happened in their life. So as of now they are not feeling any kind of passion, so they are not going to make any kind of moves. And moreover, they are not even courageous. So they don't take that moves also. They don't have that courage to take any kind of moves or do any kind of actions. It's completely they are regretting, they are feeling sad, they are feeling guilty. Some kind of loss they are feeling. So pile number 5, don't expect anything from this person. And one more thing is, stay away from this person, because they are not in a good state of mind. So if you go and ask something, try to, even if you are try to console them also, I don't think you will get good response. They behave ruthlessly, or they will use harsh words where you will get hurt. So better leave them in that situation, at least for some time, because they need to come out of this energy first. Let them come out of this energy. In this energy, if anyone touches them, they will blast, because I think they kept so many things in their heart. So here we cannot pull other cards, so we cannot say what has happened, but finally this person is not in a good state of mind. So don't touch them, don't expect anything from them, just leave them as they are. Once they complete their completing their painful, whatever they are lost, mourning about all those things, once they complete everything, they will come out of this energy. Okay, till that time it is better to stay away from this person. Let them handle themselves. Okay, because maybe this lonely time is necessary for this person. This alone time is important for this person. They need to understand the things, or at least whatever happened, it is their right to take some time and feel about all those things. So because I think here some bad things have happened to them. Okay, that's why they are very much in regret, I can say. So pile number 5, don't expect any moves from this person, whoever they may be. Better stay away from this person. If you can wait for this person to come out of this energy. If you see, I don't say wait, because everyone is having own individual lives. So it is a foolish thing that you wait for someone. You should move on in your life. You should continue whatever you are doing in your life. If they are really when the time is right, they will cross your path once again. Okay, so don't wait. I don't know what relationship you may be sharing with this person. Don't wait or don't waste your time. Just do what you are doing in your life. Concentrate on yourself, I can say, because this person needs this time. Whatever time they are taking, whatever the current energy, whatever they are in, it is necessary for this person. So understand in that way and don't expect any kind of moves from this person. Just concentrate on yourself and go move forward in your life. Just do what is your things in your life. Okay, don't wait or don't waste your time, I can say. So don't expect any moves. Okay, so thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You'll find the details in description box.